Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make a basic fluffy very soft bread. So as you can see how hot it is, very fluffy and soft. It's just a basic bread that you have the ingredients in your kitchen. If you are new here, please subscribe and turn on the bell notification. So let's get started. So here is my flour. I'll be using 4 cups of flour. Anyway, it will be 4.5 cups, but the half cup will be used later. So I'm sieving the 4 cups of flour. I'll put all the measurements, all the recipe measurements in the description box below. I'll put that aside and prove my yeast. This is 1.5 cup of water, so I'll add in the sugar. The sugar will be able to make the yeast to activate quickly. I'll mix it, then add in the yeast, stir it together, then cover it and keep it aside for like 5 to 10 minutes to proof. So here is my flour. I'll be adding in salt, mix it together. Now my yeast mix is proof. I'll be adding into the dry ingredients and mix everything together to get a dough. Guys, the water I use is not hot water. Hot water kills yeast. I didn't use hot water, I use lukewarm water. So this is where we'll be using our half cup of flour. So I'll dust my working surface with flour, put the dough and start kneading. The dough is very soft because it's a soft bread, so you keep on scraping it, add flour, scrape, add flour and knead. Your kneading should be going front. Take it front and bring it back by stretching it front and stretch it back. You can see how messy my hand is now. It's going to get messy at this point, but keep going. When you know that everything is done is when it's no more sticking to your hand. Keep going. So it's ready and I have to add 1 tablespoon of butter. You keep kneading until the dough is very soft and elastic. So guys, I'm done here. You can see how it is very soft. When you put your hand, it will come up. Put your hand, it will come up. So I'll be using butter to graze my pan and put it back. I use that butter so that when I'm taking it out, it will not stick to the pan. So here is it. You let it rise for like 1 hour. After 1 hour, this is what we get. So I'll bring it back to my working surface. I'll be playing around with it by cutting it into 4 because actually my pan cannot take the whole thing, so I'll cut it into 4. But if you have a bigger pan, everything can go into it. Just see the way I'll be doing it one after the other. You can do everything together like that in one pan, but my pan won't be able to take it. That is why I'm cutting it like this. So here is my flour dough. So I'll be rolling it, putting it in and rolling it. By so doing, if you put it in, your bread will be able to have meat inside. Let me put it that way, guys. So I'll do all the 4 dough like that and put it in the pan. That pan can only take 3. Then I'll put the remaining one in my other small bread pan. You have to grease your pan with butter. So keep it for like 1 hour in a warm place, and after 1 hour, this is what we have. So I'm using egg to wash it to give us that brown looking bread. Make sure your oven is hot. Preheat your oven while doing this. So going into the oven like 20 minutes, your bread is done and our bread is out. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for always stopping by. This is just a basic bread that you can do at home for breakfast for you and your family. So give it a try and let me know in the comment section what you feel about it. I always want to know what you feel about my recipe. Thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. Give us a thumbs up, comment, share. See you all in my next one. Bye.